tanghali sa ating lahat. Samahan nyo ako for today's video. Graduation na ng 6.09 instructor course doon sa Globe Maritime Training Center. Let's go! Good afternoon, sir.
I was given the task to introduce our guest speaker. Actually, I know him so well. Not that so well. He's a licensed master mariner and with a long sea service from 1999 up to 2023 last year. Still going on. He's also the assistant director, training director of Globe Maritime Training Center until today. And he's taking up masteral in in Lacson, master in maritime management. He's a good father, a good son, a good husband, and a good friend. I'd like to introduce to you Captain Juby J. Espinilla.
Thank you. Very known well talaga. Okay, ma'am, sir, and from our training director and our president, Sir Gilbert, Chief Engineer Gilbert Milana, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. First thing first, in behalf of Globe Maritime, we would like to thank everyone that pinagkatiwalaan niyo po kami. You gave your trust to us to conduct your 6.09 instructor course, and especially to Captain Luis Neri. Sir, thank you very much. Alam mo yan, sa buong puso natin at talagang sabihin na natin ang totoo, ikaw ang siyang dahilan kung bakit ako nandito sa position ko ngayon. Siya ang nag-promote sa akin, siya ang nag-mentor sa akin being a captain. So, sir, thank you very much. And may ninong also sa aming kasal ni wife. Anyway, good day, gentlemen. Today, it's a mark of significant milestone in your journey as a newly graduated instructors. As we stand on the cusp of this new chapter, let us reflect on the dedications and hard work and passions that brought you to this moment. You have undergone the rigorous training, honing your skills, and mastering your craft. You have embraced the challenges, overcome the obstacles, and emerged stronger and more resilient. But most importantly, you have cultivated a deep commitment to serving and empowering others. As we step into a new roles as instructors, let us remember the profound impact you can have on the lives of our trainees and students. Each class we teach, each lesson we impart carries the potentials to inspire, to enlighten, and to transform. Let us never lose sight of the privilege and responsibility entrusted to us. Let us lead with integrity, empathy, and unwavering dedication to the pursuit of knowledge and excellence. I extend my heartfelt congratulations. May you continue to learn, to grow, to inspire as you embark to this noble journey of education. Thank you very much. Mabuhay po kayong lahat.